It's Soldier Reviews back with another review of the Gm38 gas mask with its original canister with the original paint. This gas mask, if you don't know what it is, it's the 1938 model with the blue on it. Alright, so first off, let's get the mask up and out of here. Sometimes these masks can be a little bit complicated to get out. You don't want to scratch it because pull up on that. Hold on. Alright, there's the mask itself. There's its straps. There's the strap system. We'll get to that in a minute. I want to show you the canister. Then here you have your filter. It is not safe to use, sadly, because if I had better lighting, you would be able to see that there is an eagle stamp right there. If you buy one of these, there's an eagle stamp right there. Mine's very worn down, but usually they're not. Alright, so you got the canister now. Let's close that. Now this canister may look similar to the Spanish one. Yeah, the Spanish Civil War. So how you open it is you pull down, and then right there's a little hole right there. And then you pull back the canister lid, and there you pull out your gas mask, and your filter would be attached. So, now, I'm going to get to this. Let's hold this. There we go. And this can open up, revealing the lenses, the extra ones. Now I'm going to hold this up there for any German viewers who are watching this. Yeah, that's backwards, isn't it? Yep, all those are backwards. But if any of you can distinguish that somehow, like writing it backwards and reading it, if any of you know what any of that says, I mean, good for you. So put the lenses back down in there. Shut the mask, canister. Now move this out of the way. Alright, so the filter, it has a dent in it right here. Right there, there's a little dent. Ink, yeah, you can see that. It's still a very good filter. Well, in the collecting terms, it's a good filter, not in actual use. Let's grab a usable filter and compare them real quick. So, about equal size. They're both pretty small filters. Bottom looks basically the same almost. Yeah, both of them have a waffle type pattern. Then you see the inside. This one's a lot brighter than this one. Alright, now we'll move that over there. Put the usable filter right there. Then I'll get to the mask itself. So the mask itself is the Gm38 model, which is blue. It's the blue model that I own. So you put it over your head like that, put it down. Alright, so the mask still works. I fixed the leak that was right there when I bought it. Now I don't know how well you all can hear me, but see? Something from inside the mask. That's probably not safe. I washed it, so don't worry. I'm not that stupid. But right here you can see these are three metal springs. One right there, one right there, one right here, one in the middle, and one right there. Now they're not that stretchy. They're not as stretchy as they used to be. Like if you bought one of these originally, I'm pretty sure it would work a lot better. So you got this. I don't know what this was used for. If any of you can tell me in the comments, that would be nice. But as you see, although it is missing the strap at the bottom that would let it hang kind of on your neck, so you can just quickly pull it up. But now this is another German filter. Now as you can see here, Hold on. This does work, and this mask is in theory usable if I was to tighten it to the extent of where it hurt my face, because these are kind of set to a certain like face shape, and this one doesn't like the mold. It's warping. It's very warped actually. But yeah, it's pretty cool though. If you can find one of these. Now I paid about $250 for mine. That is including the canister, its original straps, and the filter and the mask itself. Now, and the extra and the defogging lenses that you can put in here, which I might actually end up putting in here after. Yeah, I might end up putting them in there. They'll be okay to put in there. Although their packaging's still sealed, that's why I'm just gonna use the ones from my Spanish one over there. Now the nozzle where you put your filter in right here is blue. Now these pieces are blue because they're anti-magnetic paint. Now this they made this because well, I don't really know why they made it anti-magnetic. But I mean, it's pretty cool though. I mean, it's a really unique gas mask to own because it's one of the full rubber ones. There's what it, oh, by the way, here. Let's give you an insight of what it looks like looking through it. So that's kind of what I see. You could, although when it's closer to your face, you can see a lot better. Now this mask is it's really cool. There's this piece right here is a little loose, but it's fine. Flex glue can probably fix that. But this mask it's pretty hard to find. Paid about $200. I think I said I paid about $250 for it, but I guarantee you they can go for way more. Like the African corpse one can go for up to, hold on, how much was it? Around $400. That's what I saw the one there at. Now, as you can see here, my mask is in really good condition. The rubber's not cracking, and it still has your chin rest. Hold on, let's get that out of the dark. Yeah, you see that line across my finger? Yeah, that's the chin rest. Now those are really annoying, and you gotta loosen them, or the gas mask is very uncomfortable to wear because it's kind of like pushing up against your face, and it kind of limits your speaking. But when it's loose enough, you'll sound just normal. But it will push up on your face because the mask, if you want a nice airtight seal where it doesn't like just kind of retract, like basically do this on your face. That's probably one of the best things to do is just don't ever cut the chin rest because it is still a part of the mask that is worth money. It makes the mask worth a lot more because your mask is still kind of basically original. Now there's a stamp left in here. Now it's fine. Because this came all the way from Germany, by the way. Hold on, there is still a stamp. Yep. Yeah, it's too dark in that mask. You're not gonna see it. It's in it's in a really bright white. But it just says 08 something. There's stamps. There's no stamps on the outside of the mask. But hold on. Let me look down on the nozzle where the marking would be when it was made. It's so worn down I can't tell, but if you definitely can pick up this mask, I would definitely recommend it. It makes a good collector's item to your German collection. Let's start putting everything back in it, but it makes a really good add-on to your collection. I ordered a foam head to put it on because it's cool to put on display with an original German helmet. Now, this originally how I solved the warping problem, was I just kind of put it on on a foam head, but then it just kind of got annoying, rapidly doing that. Hold on, let me get that real quick. But it was pretty annoying. The foam head's missing its nose bridge. Oh yeah, it's got the helmet. I was gonna get it. I thought it was like right beside me or something, but it wasn't. But I guess I will see you in the next review where we review. Actually, you all might have heard of this one. You might not have. hold on, I want to get this on there a little bit better than the Gm38. Oh, by the way, if you request a mask review, you can, in a few weeks, in the next few weeks, we're going to be reviewing more gas masks, other than just, like, German ones. We have a Swiss Army mask we can review, we have a French mask we can review, and then we have a cheek filter mask, which we can review, But that's about all we have, and then we have the Gm38, which is what we're gonna review next time on Soldier Reviews. So as you know, my name is Gm38, formerly also known as Soldier Reviews on this channel. But you can go follow me on Gm38 on TikTok, on YouTube, and on Twitter and Instagram. So if you ever want to follow me on those social media sites, they're there. But I guess I'll see you in the next one when we review the Gm38. Bye.